In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a shape with color in Canva. A fun and simple way to add a personal touch to your designs. Whether you're creating a social media post, a presentation slide, or just getting creative with some digital artworks, filling a shape with color can make all the difference in your work. So let's dive right in and see how it's done. To start, open Canva and find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, you'll want to focus on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a section called Elements sitting there, just waiting for your click. This is your treasure trove of design tools, and it's the first step to accessing those fun shapes we'll be working with. Once you've clicked on Elements, the next step is to find the Frames option. Frames are actually special types of shapes that allow you to place images, colors, or designs inside them. It's as if you're creating a stencil, and what goes inside is entirely up to you. Clicking on frames will bring you an array of options, from simple circles to complex geometric designs. Choose the shape that speaks to you and let's move on. Now that you've chosen your frame from the shapes available, go ahead and select it. You'll notice it pop onto your Canva workspace. Feel free to resize or reposition it to fit your exact needs for the project. The beauty of Canva is its flexibility. Just drag the corners to adjust the size and move your shape wherever you want on the page. Next, let's fill this shape with some color. Look towards the top menu of the Canva interface. You'll find a little rainbow icon, simply referred to as the color icon. Clicking on this will open up a vast palette of colors for you to choose from. Are you feeling a bright sunny yellow, a calming sky blue, or perhaps a bold red? The choice is yours, and you can always experiment with different hues until you find the one that perfectly fits your vision. Lastly, after clicking and selecting the color you want from this palette, give your shape a click and watch it transform with the color you've picked. It's like adding a breath of life to your design, transforming a plain shape into a vibrant piece of art. And there you have it. In no time, you've learned how to fill a shape with color in Canva. These simple steps make it easy to customize any project you're working on, adding that personal touch to stand out. Keep experimenting with different shapes and colors to create unique designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.